Hi everybody, welcome to my Katya Beauty Style channel. And if you don't know me, I'm Katerina, I'm Nordstrom Beauty Stylist. And check out my skin, it so looks beautiful, glowing. I'm using today brand new glow primer, and it's a 40 SPF primer. Also on my lips I have a matte lip color, brand new lip color from Dior and Dior eyeshadow. It's very different, it's a green khaki color, and I create this look for you. I hope you like it. Please comments below. Love you all. Please hands up, please go to my Instagram, and let's start, okay? First item, I'm gonna use Christian Dior Prestige Eye Cream. Really like it. It's a light texture. Then I'm gonna use foundation primer, Supergoop 40 SPF, and will give me nice beautiful glow. I love this primer. For foundation, Christian Dior, it's an airbrush foundation number 20, and my concealer, it's Creamy Radiance from brand NARS. For my blush, I'm gonna use brand new, it's a mousse cream blush from brand NARS. Foundation and blush are ready on my skin. Now I'm gonna use big bronzing brush from Trish McAvoy number 37, and I'm gonna use this for my loose powder, and I'm just gonna set my makeup because my actually skin absorb foundation very fast. And if you want your foundation to stay all day, you want to set your makeup with loose powder, and I absolutely in love with this loose powder. Okay, and now we're gonna start with eyes. First items, it will be my favorite right now, eyeshadow primer from MAC Painfully. Primer first on entire my eyelid. First color, we're gonna use this beautiful green with Trish McAvoy brush number 68, Everything Eye. Right here it's my crease, and I need to apply this green eyeshadow above. It's okay, it's not perfect, don't worry about it. We're gonna use blending brush and we're gonna smooth this color, and it looks much more softer. Now I'm gonna use Trish McAvoy brush number 29 blender, and I'm gonna blend this color. Second color, which one I'm gonna use, it will be this beautiful like a khaki green colors with brush number 40, Trish McAvoy medium. Such a beautiful intense color, beautiful. Now I'm gonna use this color, it's like a peachy gold. This will be your number 3 color, and I'm gonna use clean brush number 40 medium from Trish McAvoy. For my crease, I'm gonna use this again green color. And it's time to blend. And time for lighter color. I'm using Trish McAvoy brush number 30, applying this lighter color. To finish this look, I'm gonna use Clinique eyeliner number 03 Intense Chocolate. It's one of my favorite brown color. To smooth this liner, I'm gonna use Trish McAvoy eyeshadow brush, which one we use first, and I have a little bit left over green eyeshadow, and I'm just smudging. Then I'm gonna use large smudge brush from Trish McAvoy number 54, and this bright color I'm gonna just put right here in center. And on my corner I'm gonna use this lighter color. Now we just need to use mascara and liquid eyeliner. My eyes, it's really pop. It's mean we're gonna go very soft on my lips, but let's put little bit highlighter right here, little bit highlighter on my nose, and above little bit my lips. And I'm using Trish McAvoy brush 48 Sculpture. My skin really looks like glowing. I absolutely in love with primer, which one I use, and it's a Glow Pro primer with 40 SPF radiance. Okay, for lips we're gonna use matte lip color. It's a new lip color number 505, and because it's matte on my lips feels a little bit dry, and I'm gonna use on top lip polish. It's a lip product from Dior, and it's number 002. It'll give me nice hydration, and your lips look so full and smooth. And for lip liner we're gonna use number 18 Nude from Estée Lauder. My makeup is done. Yes, my eyes, it's really dramatic, really big pop, but look at my skin, how beautiful, glowing. I hope you like this video. Please comment below, follow me on Instagram, or please let me know what products you want me to use, what palette you want me to use, and I can record the video for you. Okay, love you all, and I will see you in my next video.